Come back to me, baby, come back to me. Kai utrumu se minwa ye bi ben. Oh, school boy, come back to me. Come back to me. Come back to me. Kai utrumu se minwa ye bi ben. Oh, school girl, come back to me. Come back to me. Baby, come back to me. Kai utrumu se minwa ye bi ben. Oh, school boy, come back to me.
Adom FM.
Come back to me. Come back to me.
Adom FM.
Why you do that? Oh, school girl, come back to me.
Adom FM.
Why you be bad? Bon say, I'm in una sabomu. That's all I say. I'm in una sabomu. No, but I say, no, don't anyone. Shoot them, who I say, no, don't anyone.
Adom FM.
Oh, school boy, come back to me. This is come to Musa, in what you be bad. Once I say, I'm in una sabomu. That's all I say. I'm in una sabomu. No, but I say, no, don't anyone. Shoot them, who I say, no, don't anyone. Oh, school girl, come back to me. Come back to me. Baby, come back to me. Kai utrumu se minwa ye bi ben.
And one come back to me. But for enne ye kasa afa come back ho. It is what to say ye bo we as yuma. A man yo there's a reverend no majata many asisa. And ye discuss it come back. Your family lady reverend, mommy up will see you. But of when them wajo mo kwaba Adom show is so. Ye Bo Nkommo say nene first time dia. And you know I may see episodes baby and ne. Said yeah every Tuesday be at 8:30 penny atnas near the air no. And then ye shall come back and I say going back to your ex. Nkofo bebre ka say genti adada eso. Ebi no so say how move on because if you honoma walk around about for vengeance sake or be revenge abekun any idea obi so say hey we honoma unu we chira obedwen se wa fe no be na na say that ya any idea me din a family lady reverend ma me boss you do but of when me wajo mo akwa e de wo ba kambekasi sapini suhani me de oba ye Bo Nkommo so e wo Adom 106.3 FM so nyami show we are also live on Facebook said ye wuni mu no ye nya tena sesa nkomo ayede nkomo ayehwam nkomo ebe mo wate nioma bi asensem bebre ho no ma no kwasem ni so wa ma ha wonti bi da ebe den se obeti bi ehifa na ye beka bi agisa happy enti ben yesa na ye kasa na wotia na aboa wo na nioma bi wo ha wo so watimi ehu ne puma sibre because no kwasem there are some relationships bi wo no ma we ne den ya enyi ase no enya ase move on ebi so ho no ma you need to say oye ebi so ho no ma you need to know certain things na etimi aboa wo enti ene me mo adwo mo akwa aba e de wo ba ye Bo Nkommo so e wa hanom obi se ne exatete ni sa opese wo babak open no nenso nioma omo fe mu ansa na omo ujai no that thing keeps staring at her inti I no feel say wasisa ampa na is it for real ana say wa sheda obi se me ye ne bone kakra o ye twetwempe no I am say boy person be me revenge. Obi so say me so say wan hwe ya na ye kwa. Eni ma wo ye ansa na ye gyan ni nyina wo come back. What's what you say? What do you think? And then Nyame Adom. Me was of Mami Jeanne Anderson and no be who say yes. Mama and no any ku o ma jo mani wo ka mu ansa na wapi. Ti wo be hwe na minim of Mami. On a normal day minim said ye na yi. But ene de yi ayi say ayi on so system on so fo ba no na o mu jo mani wo ka mu anti ni refi say obeka ne Brazil ahye me no ba na ne Brazil enu fu da bontin ena hu se ni kunsa ebia ho ena mi busa no ka chem so ka ye kra chi e wo oplami ho ena so oni mo plami. Do you know oplami? Mo mo take mu ye things wo ka mu e fa no oplami ena nke ye ya chi but Nyame Adom ye nya nchi and or the ababedu anti and nepa wow names of my me dey hwe no wo Facebook na hwe ade ye nyina ani bia of my me da bia no fuda and hwe bia no fuda hu yi pe no hu say asema me ntwantro eya me din say me ntwantro so hu enti ade experience enti ene confugate wa baba me confugate wa mu say dey be confugate to net there. Don't forget to other bed, yo. Oh, yeah, late is was it one share. Oh, baby, hand my camera to so pale say, yeah. And yes, I'm good to her. So, Mammy Jan Anderson and our Hanum, and son Adis, Ababa, and the honors for Hanum. As I now to say, Bibia Bocodia. Now, the show is Addis Abraham, no, you're free, no to me, free, and no casa. And then this time the corona and one here will be their movie. Okay, Dabi Andrew. Soft mommy, Andrew. Na mama soft one now yam she say. Who anya heaven na woko. Dabi na who anya heaven na woko. Enye osoro ahememu na woko. Woko awrade ko bu fu akoma odan atem. Ese kra mo dan kra ye wi obi anti. Yeah, obenya fufu. Sister John. Obenya fufu. All right, Adiza. If I try to say. Pacha me bo Adiza baba dina ya na nkofo dwen say Adiza, enya Adiza. Adiza e pepe ni ba edin. But ono efe no Adiza baba. Ono ya wo no di ya de man no ose na ni nje ho. Enti wo hwe onam a ohun se krofo bi kuta wiya. Omoshi. No busa se. Ubusa ba kudi na ba kwale body Adiza baba. No ni say Ethiopia asam ne yeke. E wa akoya fa e ato ne koso. Ene so de ananti abedru sabri. Enti enu ti ne fe na Adiza baba. Eni epuo. Adiza na what say? Nyame na Adom. E de nyame ase. Na wo na sabri ya. Ye quarantine ye ho ankrofo nyina esuri. Wo se wo kwa yie wo ja asika.
Reverend, ni ase de mini choice because onu mi anti no we no onu ni me papa mu only surviving
but yare nto onu to wu na wawu no eti at times e to da bi eti se osonson ho enye ye nyina na abetra kam wo so nika na aka se metra me kam na ko e na abetra kam mu atwa kwan akwa kodu jase kam be kwa ye wie na so nya corona e bia wo de ba be sa ye nyina ti na ka me suspend wo no ye ko ye ni eye ma wa kwaba be ye na ye boko de
fe na be ye.
It's 1 week pen alcohol.
There be a planning for the funeral. No.
Oh, shindi. Say, young go any. Oh, yeah. Saturday, no. Yo, young go any. Madam for Sabri, baby, I also will be a more quabas of my more hand. This our hand. And the topic I actually it a lot of relationships. We can say, minimum jai, minimum boyfriend jai, minimum girlfriend jai, minimum boyfriend jai. Or person back. And so. Hey, me kissing ni. Ma menjino. Ana ma menjino. Menene tina. Ebeye. Ana enye. And some sane ne ye discuss wa. Nyame Adom of Mamishan wa Adiza wa. Omunyina come back na die. Addis Ababa de oso no nyaware to kwa no aba so for me de oso jawa no jawo but yen hwe say so for me any pa bebre how am dey abre me. What do you think? Say obi ni obi jaya, is it good so be go back to the person? And now what do you think?
Rev me that say why if you do
it's where jawana me jinja odi kasa
me yet say
nim so timi ya die nyina ye isa Kristo hye unti so odi kasa yenko
me da ye tie fo nyina ase especially me kun Bishop Alfred Anderson ya me sha no tie ensamre ene masori man nyina obi so tie bia Sunday you see the Father's Day enti mema relevant and potential fathers
mema potential on ya onye potential God potential e bi kro be wu tie potential we bi kro be wu ansana wow enti yenko ye ni oma shine say no ama James Star
for edian
ma omo ye the man responsible father
away die na chi say obetumi aye
responsible father
obetumi aye yi
Vanessa shine na say again be ka jense wanye ko ya collapse wa nyi say keke na again ne so wonye mo no
oh my
god ko ya collapse papa bi ansana me ne kasa ya no ji like your hand is again no nyi say ne say na da again nyi say be say ne ni aji I am happy oh my god oh come on happy Father's onuro yango
thank you so much I this about the say na kuku say or to so no say
so no ne girlfriend
revien hwe
ne girlfriend him yes ono ne problems ye nim emema dodo yango ye
say obi x say or babaka it might be for good or for bad.
Okay.
Say epia we hu say
for we no yemfa whether or not say good or not bad no to nche ne hwe say nipa no omuhia ebeboa like omuhia no
obi wo ho a we hu say ojai ho a okoye no kwanya ofa su jai a okoye no enye papa entini sa nipa ne ba na oba ne eye ne den but we hu so say bebi oja ho ne ewo ahyema anase nipa oja ne ho no bibi papa epie wo mu enti sa de ne mensan enkomachi na ne epie wo ho no mensumi enkodi bia na say menko enjoy bi ba obi so wo ho a onim say oja ho so empty enti na nya ade a obetumi asan afa kwan a obesan ababak obi so ho okọ no odi nipa ne bone enti nya ade asan nipa no so obetumi ababak but for them to meet once again no me I think say when you move on but if you think say you love the person so much that the nipa could be once loyal to you again then there is no way say want to me and conquer say me sani pani enshia but for me dear I don't think say I will allow that.
Really?
That is for me.
Adisa
I wouldn't do it.
Obia pese yifri wano. Hey. Ebi atu dia dia shawano na na the interview wana.
Kopro 19.
Yehwe minyi ni se obi oha hold grudges against the exa obepene so say obe consider po say obe consider whether or not say on an internana obviously answer obi be decide say or consider whether or not to accept that person. It means say as boni bia e bae no omagem they make out and say do you think say ebe work here?
Yes, it may and it may not. Ejina their compatibility level.
But I am on so why?
Yeah, ejina ebi omo compatibility level. Say ebi omo ebra omo twempena na omo wo ho no. Die ni die ena omo ye. Omo atitena mo tesen omo bu afe. And do they see the potential in each other? See you me worry na me ne betimi abobrapa ana brapapa. Ena ebia bibi kitiwa bi na esi ya omo jaye. Should that be the reason? Ebia omo aye niama bia e kire si planning for the future and sana bibi kitiwa bi see and na almost separate. And if they feel okay, ya no ye ho enu ho ho ya no ye ho nti o ye back na ye back e be ye dia fine, because be man na oko ana be man na oba na e back to no ono so be dwensi but mostly men do take advantage of it. Emma, where they sell it. Take advantage of it.
If if a man decides to come back, if a man decides to come back to maybe an ex-girlfriend and an ex-wife, does it mean say? Do you feel say it's a man trust your man? You are a man. Listen, give me a mommy a year of it.
From men point of view, no. Mostly, GD Papa Bienim.
So maybe yes or ba, then yes or
there be bem oba see oba back to me beman. Because man do look at a whole lot of things.
She said they will be trained.
Ebia edien yen mini oti ho no. Edien na wo ye okay wo call ye no. Na ete sen. Na nia oba ye no ono so ti sen. Comparatively no. Obeka si okay. Say be at this time I mean ya girl be a miss me ware no cry. My main fan intimi hot so answer.
Into your bed
come
into your bed you there's so now only intention is
say obe ware okipo dear sister that 1 out of 100.
I know by decide so
be ware.
They say do na omo hit and run.
Because memma technically and timin giant massa and yemi massa mo.
Obi so ho ko ye no we hu say amoa no and amoto ye no we hu say ni oja wechi is better than ya wakwakofa e won anim ne enti no he would rather come back.
Oh and I make I see a advantage no reverend say bia mini lady bi oho na oboa me oye niama bi ma me na bibi na esi ya me ne na ana oja me na me ko bibi fufro na me nya, and I want that same thing. I should come and pretend to be.
You can't pretend to be.
Oh yes.
You can't pretend to be. If
you don't understand. When the answer now who can?
Coming back with pretend is there.
Oh, oh.
Analyze does it mean say you are a man?
Yes.
Does it mean say Bema yes oh I am coming back, yeah, I want you for keeps. I've realized my mistakes. I am because I know for a fact say Obaka say let's come back. Truly I am Obaba camper. Oba can cry.
Yes.
Because my very emotional. Who will cry no say me could try baby no me who say be cry baby I me could try no. I thought said the man was better be and soon in the buying being shed and kuyo men can say you obome umume and in your man and your back say I am coming back to you. I am now in most cases say there are be about 10% to be almost the second almost the matters when you scan or mobile BDB. But do one cry more matters when you scan. So when you scan podia or back tana. No, that is a woman for you. But yeah, a man at the end of the day.
A Bema, Oba, Ebia, one advantage, Ebia, Ope, Obia, Oba, the Anya say, oh, Ukramini would die. Okay, these days, this time I'm in which me cry now, and Yama be okay, Wabanu. Let me see if I can take advantage of you in certain ways. There is always opportunities and advantage taken in the comeback. So buy a babaka and a bema cry kobaka. There is always a nyama binti and at that time obeji because ukoyeno no answer na obe ukoyeno freshly no na nyama bi ehansa si okay sadia no problem nti obompa ya usabe tomwa honestly time no ni cocoa season either obe yo bi anase he will take advantage of you. So be worry o kakra bi pe e bi obehwe aduane obeyama no obesi ni niama obesi ni demu obema ni sika bi odi mu abi bebua no ni ade because at that time no onimsi wo hia ne che ono hia wo. Of course be man nimsi wo hia ne che ono ohia wo. So he will do a whole lot of things That is how it is. Inti technically and fun go so say oh emugu. Oh, wait there me kwa bese. Technically be prepared.
Yeah, yo, I mean, sure say a man and mema mo fie nyina. You be the better judges, because I know we can say we be situation is peculiar depending on somewhere you see any in your man. But yeah, she said you money na money me. And me can say my court na me back. I want to marry you. Is it for real? Now yeah, whether you form intentions and to change. So obe mako na oba ko na oba. Ohwa ayana relationship no. Spice bi abemu ana bibi fufura bemu e ma ne ye da ana enije bi ebemu e ma ne ye da ana ana obi ka zeda de ya ana mpo obi kan afie e ma ka ye o seden does it mean say bi ani pa ne bedru mu kra afie na obedwendwendwen ne bi hum hu no say ye enioma bi ya say what do you think and you busebusa sansem no e wa hanom so mama do you think say be maybe akwaba or baby akwaba na one ne betena adeko esi wo montemu ansa na mujaye no sasem no eyira ana say it resurfaces ana say obi kan it doesn't even matter ana say your new status ana say whether or not you are improved be it socially, be it intellectually, be it wherever you find yourself, and no na determine whether or not the relationship becomes successful. And now say ubi beka say does it mean possess any panakoba na ma suspicions I am more that is if infidelity in a ma relationship first one is say does it make it more we are now? And I said, what do you think about your wife?
Me that say, Obi Babaka. Initially, he's coming back. Never draw.
We are live on Facebook. Bomodia say ode o comments ni ade be fa hono mo ade amai. Also I need social media and pacho fa me WhatsApp number is so 0207 93 9870 0207 93 98 70 WhatsApp into pacho what is ochro editor on my be kind kama e dey am now do din e dey be how free o dey aka ho amaye na kind kama and the topic now share come back and I say going back to your ex and I say going back to exes. Do you think say nipa no be ma one ne ware be ma one ne etwempna oba one ne ware oba one ne twempna wakwa wo se wa ba afi we hu ne bone wa ba wa dwantoa eti say oba de sefo e ma o se je no na one ne santra biem you are considering it but ye hwe wa ha no mo say ya na oni nipa ne tena mbenya asumdwe ana afiafia be ma abofo no aba ana say you see and matu agu Bible say nipa we are body fofra no matter de nyina twa behold all things are become new does it mean say you nyina asesa and I say man na omo de omo fa asem nche no utwa mu a baby wo honoma ni kuntu kwan keke na wo ba pe no akofa trousers obi hwie mu a wo che sniffer dog wo che akrantie obi hwie mu a ko be so beti o baby asinsuo sent wom ewo ho ye wo baby wo honoma ni kunya ba o hwe so beti oba perfume bi e wone ho ana ensa ne wo be ma bi so ho no ma just hu se ne yire ko hye so dware pe no akoyi ni pant obi hwie mu manka wakoyo na anu meka wa ha no be bi ane yire akoye ya wa pia waba okodwuma oba o dware ane yire ko ni ko akofa ni pieto ohwemu still anso no okotu so oba ne wadwa he odwunso ne ye tata no esi wa papa ne se hwe se de odwunso ye tata hwe se de odwunso ye tata na odwunso ye nyina kire se obi ne wakoda no nti na odwunso aye tata no na me kan se de tatataness of Bobby Jones Socrates to me actually could say or funny say Yakwaba does it kill suspicion, does it kill certain things, and rather a man or a more, and now we can say you've learnt your lessons into you are coming back to a fresh page altogether. What do you think? And then some sana so of my mission and Addis Ababa or Mohano Momo churches. So mammy, yeah, she said you're welcome. Nipano bar. Suspicions.
Does he
erase everything?
Quite best na nipani nam so oja nipano ebi a wokɔ no oja mi nisu oja mi arewo oja mi to baby a mia just say me ma me musu kra ne na eyedin enti sa nipa esan eka say me san aba wa bra bomu bion immediately no na akɔ raise nyama bi akɔ peja enyama bi a ewu dida wa bra bomu a ono no ma sa nyama e ba na akɔ peja sa nyama no enti no nipa ne eba no me for me there let's tackle what happened. Near see ye no, so person will back pan near see ye no, yen sign enkom bium. Na yen shen yen tia ma e ba ne sa awuja me wa wo koya and the day soon I will say, wo sign aba my bra boom bium. I am doing that for security reasons. Send be a china so one sign enka say uja me hobium ediako yen tackle near see ye no.
Only be maybe anantia woni na jai 5 years time we hunu wa pen ono so da so pel mo bi kura mpo amu percent kam kisi ono se twen e kire na bi akọ hunu na obe hu e na bibia indicate say amu da so dom ho o person oba back no e je say mo tena se san so kokai 7 years ago 8 years ago
and so question repeated the same thing again. Obetimi ayebio asan eja wo ho asan agbo me chan Facebook ya di yawo na anya wo ya ye nja wo fire da sa ya di yawo na anya wo ya ye nja wo fire da enti ni oye ye no ye nkoni enkohwe ni enti a o ma ne eba ne sa wo ja wo ho koya enne wasi wo san eba wa bra bomu bio say yan tackle that issue that we are not moving.
Pentecost for on you be Osemania echem ninchem na pim kwa wani muara na meya fofro meya dinyina fofro mania echem ninchem oh na pim kwa wani muara na meya fofro meya wadinina fofro
no
it's that I did 8 years ago
afena
akotia wenye bi be me afena wo ba be je ho
be ya one san fan be me be let's settle that
Reverend asema okanu I very simple be ma bi o ba back no asema simple ba or the photo
you then please
form that ne akrokro
me pese me hu ni enti a ucha me ho a wo koye me ni enti a again anu kura de me hwe anu kura mpo de nka me hwe
enti na nyese be ma ne ba
yen ko hwehwem
mu be hwe wo ko hwe mu
okay ba wo de yen fa bibia nto che okay yen hwe
okay ba be san be fa
yeah ba mo cho me pese ye be an argument yen hwe let's just say waba wo pese wo kan ho asem matana se ebi amaka ebi aya akosua kwaku kwabena some we say ne see sisi ayi moving on enti emma eno nkoye chi na ye hwe ye nim me busa say so obi kona oba relationships aya itaye adwuma na adisa
reverend ena me kan say be ye adwuma pa de e wo be ma brabo mu o Debbie because onu kita bema bia in every relationship okita ni motive. Oh yeah.
It was just a man need good motive.
No man kasi good motive is motive whether good or bad. I am motive.
And also can say
okita ni motive.
Bema ne ba ne e adwene fin kwa
na. Enya adwene papa no. To you no we won say adwene fin. Enya adwene fin.
It will never work.
For the first it will never work does not mean say adwene fin. It will help him.
helping with him.
Now if he's coming because onimsi okay, obeton tariama no be no aduane amana e adwinfi. Adwin papa. Aduane die ni entalishe adiboni. Da be na e sha said adiboni.
Da do the train. Me person. I want us me person analyze it.
That is what I am saying.
Eti nipa no be man na wo ba no enya adwin papa no de.
Adwin papa reverend me ntimi nka say adwinfi. Adwin papa because maybe at that point no ne ho kire no bema no ebi ane ye tu no it could be ebi ane ne ho akire no because there are a lot of motives
okay nti mama reason
the things I want to ne ho kire no ebi a obi a obebua no asini mama na na say
obi anu aduane ama no
yeah lady
ebi kwa ni fear tu no
say ana ebi a opebebi a omwa no akorrelate metimi beda wo ho yes
enti ano ya adwin papa ho
adwin papa emwa bi ani ho ya adwin bone
emwa fo hwan
ono
ebe ma no ene na say selfishness
debi
enti ope ba bi obe kwa relax
selfish
ope ba bi a ye tu no de ne ma be kwa ope ba bi a
adwin bi ti a wo ba na adwin ne say bebi a okoye no we nya ne sa biun baby
that is it unya ni sanga one back that is it
officer still a chiwo no tie na e fa ya mrema ni nti wo ba beka ye o ba be ni atu dan so ye sunsun fa ba ni atu dan ni ahun kronkron tim e was so ko na ni
yeah be Maxwell Mate or say Mommy good evening. I'm enjoying your program this evening for your discussion that you are doing. Was say I am Maxwell. Oh, Maxwell Pacho, who send me voice note? I mean to me NTA Wahanum because Kaus Uchoy and Adom and I'm a kind of kama. And the Amapacho more will bet me a wow betro in our ultra. Man, who send a voice message? Can we? I mean to me NTA. Obi say people become comfortable due to what he or she has gone through and learn more. Me, something are dangerous than women. Men are dangerous than women. Okay, typo mistake. Men are dangerous than women. People become so comfortable due to what they've learned and gone through. Until the person channel say we a poor channel different kaswa Ota City or say me man dey omo dangerous so be me basa ya 220 esu on dey baba no si gate ano ade be channel powder mpem sa no akoye aduane dey abrɛ o say yes to say who now to say oh this guy is a good guy obi say obi say Rev good evening greetings to your panel was mommy
thank you
it will depend if he shares in your vision or will benefit me.
Thank you.
Bema no na obe share wo oba no vision.
What be that?
Coming back to ruin my it will not be permitted.
Yes.
It's better to stay single than to accept a destroyer. Obi prayer topic because it destroying the destroyer. When we say
program,
I will use my life as an example, mommy. What made him to come back? I think I agree with also for mommy. I was saying. I say, them you have but a man is when you open minded. Yes, just a baby on over side. Maybe one man. He has learned his lessons. No, but not better.
Man, no, a damn pass of grana, Sebio, no, Obey very satisfied, but he can walk away in the next 30 minutes, 40 minutes.
Wow. What do you obeka eya ni da obeka
onya free wo nchen hwa
eya ni da obeka
baby foforo
ebi so ha oba he no no mpo ni so we innocent oba he safin wajiji ho
Would you be an incredible Addis Ababa? Would you Addis Ababa? Would you Adriane? Wakotomu?
Radicalism. Make us so much radicalism. Me. And I'm here kimping. Ain't to was. Neka was radicalism.
You're moving pick now. Anna ye didi. Adrian ye de. Ye divi and ye sanko second run. I uncle.
Me man could be.
Obi o be free okure o free o go be
Rev, ye san free ho ye free ye san ko baby ye ko ye no. Ice cream. I say edika ye ko di ice cream. I say edika
ice cream na
imagine aya da wa ha.
Come on go baby fufu.
Onim se baby nso ya da biom.
Nti aka baby ya da biom.
Adwene fini adwene boni.
One o kan yesi. Mu ko baby fufu ya de.
In the next 30 minutes, not another.
And you want no example.
Or baffle flow and pem. 18 I make us say, mema. War back, no. I drink in our day.
I drink papa.
And ya drink papa. I drink in
our day.
Never. And ya drink papa.
Mwanya drink papa.
Forget it. Forget it. I would rather move into a new relationship than to stay with you.
Oh, me
and then you
perish my life again. It will
never happen. Rev, it will never happen.
It should happen. It should happen. Come back to me, no.
I will never.
The opposite say if the person or
I disagree.
Na bibi ne see woman tell my woman. But don't you feel you say obosumanim? You say the oracle mama can the bro say obosumanim you call him prince. The bro from say the oracle is consulted 3 times. If you try the first time, it didn't work. You try and then the second time.
A different relationship.
That's people change, but do you believe in change?
Wait, for the third time.
Do you believe any person?
For the third time.
Okay, but second time,
I can give you that chance. There will be trust issues. There will be trust issues.
Then it means you don't trust yourself.
You cheated me before.
Oh, I didn't tell you.
Why am I what you say? A to Z. Romance from sex.
Obi say sexy of mommy. I love you, pa. I wish I marry you. Sexy person in my own. Dennis. And you. I love you, hey. I marry you, hey. For drama any free home. Dennis Miocho, maestro, for drama and go drama. Obi yere o kan sa asem kire na se hye na nkoyi. I give to yourself for say good evening Rev. You good, wonderful this evening was my favorite show. God bless you. God bless you too, darling. Nyamisha ibesha our prayer training so. And a vida we sting and I say we sting. Chagli pacho mamunti. My favorite program. Great ladies, all right. God bless you. It seems you show here for favorite pa. And a Presla Otunfo mame or see you look hey. Presla Otunfo. What's mommy? You look beautiful this evening. Thank you so much. Anna Apiedu Menu. I say good evening to you all. Live from Netherlands, mommy. You did a great job. God bless you. God bless you, darling. And I'll be say when him the hokama, Miss Sweetheart me that say Priscilla Nyamisha. And Pastor Mario was a nice one there. And Denix I say sexy of so here. Mr. For a drama show. Ernestina Owusia Addis Ababa the funeral planner. Busabiem Addis Ababa the funeral planner. I like you, Rolf. We were madam. Okay. Ogo shall hex me. Says I know, maybe feel on a corona beside Larry Agboka or say it is good to go back because he's the one. He the one she knows. Okay, he's the one she knows. The person. Ain't in other only more we ask me. Larry Agboga was Daniel watching too. And Ernestina was Rev today. You did at this Ababa top. I'm really enjoying today's topic. Watching you live from Austria. God bless you. Praise Lab watching. Also, good evening, beautiful mommy. God bless you and your great panelists. We will meet at the prayer train. I was watching from France. Okay, Prissy Nyamisha Papa. Prayer train and Nana Jui at 12 midnight. The prayer train with Reverend Mami Gold and Sana. Instagram also official Reverend Gold. Wow. The official Reverend Gold by Chobomodi and Shame. And I'll be said, please let me say this. Trust is like a grass. A grass, once it is broken, it cannot grow back. Grass baby, who chakra na fe na efu. Who chakra fe na efu. And if I can't grass be on my name. Hi, I'm Adelaide from Chufupra, so I really love this topic, okay? And I'll say, even my girlfriend self, I will never accept you back. Talking to my wife. Talking of my wife, okay? If you go, if you're gone, you are gone.
You are gone forever. Thank you.
Oh, but a bit so honor, you might say that. Mr. Good evening, Rev. Most people who try to return is not for the real reasons.
Yeah.
I will never accept a returnee. Watching you live from something. All right. And Samuel Dazi or say one always ought to accept.
Mistakes.
I'm coming back with extra K. Or say I will buy you maybe an banner over with extra K. Praise the Lord. It was a very educative program. Okay, God bless you so much. And mommy watching you live from Belgium, Antwerp, Yami Inshamunsu, Nina, Papa, messages and a dos one casa. Obviously, if the love is still there, you can forgive and forget and move on. And I bet you, you will change in things will change in the relationship, even though it is hard. But if you truly love the person, I think that we're saying it the most. We say the truth is if it's really based on love, if your relationship, if your feelings is really based on love, listen, anytime we are just the thought of that person, we have a banner dream. Still, who's all done? It is any panaba. Do you think say you are going to rent? Oh, the most was them. So who say Kaweni and former and Nanado. And then Nanado I caught Tranway. Senanado branch Ado Premadi and himself branch what you my infant said. Say Taman and only Ado Premati we want to train Pranam Aquachen. Can Nanado Kodoi Kabaka Sobeka. I remember and you hear for the car and
Nutina Meka say,
oh, here
and Nutina say, a Bia Nipano all back. When who say a Bia Nipane attaining a higher office, and that's when you bring Papa be a one bottom. Now the Bunya whatever no or back just because why it's somebody. And then that is the more reason why Grandpa me I will not even accept you. No. Yes, because you are coming back into my life for what I am today.
I feel coming back and you know who you are doing good. Everybody wants a good thing.
No.
Fear say ono the ogidi says so because of babaka obwa. Normally now babe pay bibi. Obia mema ma back say oba say oba be don. Because of yibi ntina woba. Mama call has saying so say good evening to you. God bless you all. I will meet you on the prayer train. Okay. It is a God bless you. I dated a guy for a year and he asked me to join him in his church. If not, he won't marry me. Simple. After I joined him, he broke up with me.
So winners.
There's a opewo dia o amanyame.
So so winners.
On pesa o beba bedo.
Salvation is key.
Who said there be you will be better off with God than with him. I say me ye mistakes me jai kweku. Until let me go back to him or her. Doesn't necessarily make it say the first say ebia or chain penalty words of my mobile kase ni pano. Won't miss it, sir. Who can say of this and can be can what some will be uncanny with decro. If you are near to us,
Rev, me share a see and me can obi or back either for good or for bad. Nanya or ban, especially a man or motai was a akumapan. What baby?
What babies was when you're second in our no, when you does it here, you better not choose
you not interrupt me. You are interrupting me.
Also was suspension. Tibu, Yanko.
Na all ban a beer. And
Yanko.
Our command pan same. Nya oye bia wenu I surrender.
Okay.
Oba for good.
Okay.
Sani pano.
Then no na people say oba for good no. Wo we dey na dey begina so who say he is coming for good ntia. Wo be accept no. Na almost so wo nyi omo no. E dey na dey begina so akasa wo nyi
no. On twen krama asem ni nkodi afe. Ana enkodi be ye 2 years awe hu say binyame eduedum pempensu bi in time a oja wo ho no hu say still you still struggling no sa time ni ma no be ba be pa cho so osere fa che no
oja
na mu nkom ani
ye wo kan nya fisi
mame na mu nkom ani most of times 80% or 60%
obi hu we fa say wo ye small girl wo ye young girl enne ena sofo aboa wo na otu ya page na obi hu me o ka jem sofo ma me say na ne to te na ne to ye flat and so say sofo say awo ndi say na otu be nya abotire ma me e bia time na oni nam time ho ya wo ko ba wo run about na wo say na ye fresh say etie bi press abre kwa na wo che den gu wo de nya abotire
me ka wo de ne bu ama massage wa massage
sata me bia na wo say na bo sata
wa to ne bu ama massage
wo se kra nya
what to say oh massage I'm making sure say bibi ejina so come ma eye for no ne
na make obi a waja o make wa we single we are not talking about obi a ware obi bepe wo nya sa na ye ka
okay
you can't say me fan say won ware say a what we e bia won ware you dated a man as abre no you were not as sexy or as
na me sexy
oh jai
na me be
jai
na me wonderful
na opa mama recording me sing crofo say na so mama of mommy no why for because time on years of mommy no yobia
me see na me a game crasher me be
hey who the game crasher can on the analysis of mommy they just na go you kasatinti
crasher meaning say just me see
game crasher dey and just say we no finish obia o dey interest no
me costly but very beautiful
abacho mami tell mom pacho or say the game crash and you say no ye dwaman na you say o finish obi a we but not say no uhu na odina ne na so but sabre na ne to brofo so de nyina etiase forget him sabre no so na we fine but no nya as fresh as this but I no na make us of mama ye hwe ne say e bia e ma bebre wo ho no ma ubehia wo mo no me no kwase me na me nya fine biasa na me young but na me nya fine say it is ne say the my fresh me ku hu me tama me nyi ya me bedroom one face and na me fe but me young na me nya obia e nyina area e nyina etwe titi say the sinkran ye de nam any ade etinya de obi a hye na special bia na e bi obi hu na wa hye na hu na we hu yes back hey really yes me kote musician bia say mo baby me mo yidi na musician no osiso na wa hiti organa na nkofo nyina te na makonta bi say na gen no ko fa fi ho eko run about this papa ye fi no any ade ti ofi abrocha ba e na obi kana say no say o kai gen na ba bi na obetare ya jisi pamo na nza no wonu ni gen na sesi ya mo kana say no de make out say sesi no kwase mu hu lady na enya sam keto but abre no she was obi kan say she was a nobody it is engineers and nuti na papa na hu no say oh my mistake Of course, I blame me. So now me so me naive. Enti wo so sisi afi no wife and I'm coming back. E bi kro he ti omienu bi. E ma wo kakra akodi hu we ntia. E na wo de wani wo ko he. Any ante na say e oba. Now be ka say sa abre no. You didn't like me then. So I wouldn't allow you to like me now.
No, I wouldn't.
Now I know what they are now. Abre na what wo mo bon. Na be ma no me fa usa anya dey. I say so who esi
out of the miry clay.
I ba who esi.
Miry clay as you are.
Yeah, sa abre be ma no so your boy.
Ebi kura nipa ne he anywhere bi oni bi oni ode beto deodorant kuro oni bi anase ni ode beto ankama kura twi na motwem kura se bi oni bi nti onam osa wonam osa se bi ni pioto kura
nti se be ma no ska koto ankama twi moto
ohun ni na nka openo no oni ne enante se me on che no ne feelings ma me se wacha se na nya
no so your boy sister ko dwale wie ko dware bra wa ko dware aba afi na be ma ne hu se wa yo ba
oba na ma yo ba se bi me mpokua sisi so a me chi
na kwa dia akoso no che
me hipia ma no ref I just say bibia sisi so kama na fina be say no na wonye fine na dey why fine. Never ref dey.
It's not just say so for me dey say one pen na enra ene all my own.
Yes.
Utimi kwa ko do presidency kra was one pe and this what do you also think na for me family me phone lines so
me person ka bibia about that first. One say ewiase uma obinyini esobeje adia mananyini ena yakos so ya kire bibi fallow period. One man sa eyine so won fa regeni ni yibium ena bi wo ho a munyina mo break no mo akodwe hu the mistakes amoaye se wo yo bi a during that break no one who mistakes na
won't you already did not say my brother say a friend chairman Chairman Steven, I say my name is Steven, please. I think you are talking about my case here. Okay. I came across a lady and we had a child, and I decided that she should go to her mom, and after that she should come back so I can further my education. But even before I finished, she started telling me she's no longer interested in me. While our baby was just 6 months, I begged her, but she told me she was not interested. If you give birth with a girl, it does not mean you should marry her. Sana girl na kacheno. Recently, she called me telling me that we should come back after 1 year. She is called Annabelle Afo from Chufupraso. Please discuss it. Let's just say Berman Ojano Berman anyway, Berman yes, or Bewarano. Obana say one penny nowadays. Would you be one? Let's say by force says Obana one. And then the Beme answer walk on him. And I'm patching my musa was staying. Walk on him, and now Abrabono. Obano Momuna say, why I walk on any manner. Because sometimes if the person left you, that's where you know the value of the person.
Of course.
And it's not everybody will think bad to come back. Okay,
that is it.
We'll be saying enye ubia na wadi adwin boni ena back. We'll say good evening, please. It depends on whatever the person did. Weigh it when the advantage is more than the disadvantage. When the good is 70% and the bad is less than 50%, and then you say 120% or something. Okay, then you can take it back. Reverend Ben is from Tema. Was when the love is there, of course. Or don't know you can always go back. Obi say, please, I have the same problem, but I don't know how to explain to you, ma. Obi say, for me, I will not accept you back because I don't know the mentality that you are bringing back to me. They are not supposed to watch say anyone here. Naba uba. What the idea be shinitim? Any idea? Obi say, good evening, Rev. Hope you are swimming in grace, of course. I say in this circumstance, it's good to accept each other because you both know your faults, and it's whether it's good. It's okay. It's all messed up because as for me, the treatment and the attitude you came you came to me with would depend whether or not I or say I we Bismarck Mensa or say attitude I buy and the betchere and you know be my Steven not the buy or say oh no there he has or say I have gone way forward. Just yeah, and you might when things are good and the lady wants to come back there, then definitely with my shakara kakra area chair. Now if you're too no banner sabra. Oh yeah, good evening to you or God bless you. We will meet on the prayer train, of course. Thank my you. Darling. God bless you so much. And Nana do ye bompaye or our platform social Facebook and
Reverend, maybe I some now me can send out messages. No,
my mom me numbers name years. Better from batch of me and then also for so I drink celebra. Is it good to go back to an ex? Say or ba obu on my oba obu okro baba say me babe ware. Obu okro no ba no no ntena kakra bi so obesan ja o second time bi mu. And they be so on my every cry one so be ka say be cry so pen so be also be me ja no. Does it mean say you don't give exes the chance and is it that say an ex be down with teenagers so you good and now once now we are bad and so and I access all by from here numbers in here 0302 216 561 0302 216 562 and I'll be to me so for 0268 944 347 obet my first and number singing and I me akoyenim 0302 216 561 and 0302 216 562 I first and number singing and you better come
okay
come on Alisa
ntini me can say during that break no both of you say muye okay you should analyze the relationship. What did I do wrong? What you did wrong, no, you should be able to correct it. Of course.
So now you agree with me.
Oh no, no, Mami, yes. You should be able to correct it individually. And yes, individually, Safale period, no. You be looking at things, idea particularly. Okay, not blaming the other person.
So one from a different perspective.
One kasano, dear Namaya Manya ni and a relationship here. I see. Obano says so who the same thing. So with that, move back, come back, be or what? It is you, it is a magnet in nil, womanaka, Obiankashi, Chilubia.
Hey, because said appears Safo was a Safo Kantanka from Cape Coast. Or say I will never accept her back because such ladies may conspire with their boyfriends to dupe you. Of course. Moreover, different penis may expand the vagina. So it will not even will not even accept her back. Your person chance and maybe na water man and oh yeah to say and now I try with the crew to just or the bar why we be na just the size no abro so and you want so ade yan ko hen we say na so akwa ba dey say na so be about
into your ba na trans ya na wo si we hear mistakes mistakes are you correct ya bema ne ba you understand the bema and
Obi say he or she has this has his own motive. Yanko, I Black Rock honey whiskey for and I saw you sing one more day whiskey papa one more day honey flavor at the aboso na unya rocks ice cubes be the can there is so when you so unya 18 years and above and patch of na one kwa konumbi bomodia say unya ho na person jijina dia and one Black Rock honey whiskey when you say we when you say she na one kwa konumbi and no mu ahu say ekoyo ankasa e kasa preko for and the soya sing and sana customer care helpline multi TV. I say, do you want to get access to the new Joy Learning channel on multi TV, or are you having challenges with the multi TV box DJ box and kindly contact the multi TV for contact multi TV for assistance on these numbers 0244 340 415 0244 340 412 wow from Musa Ebeka Wong and sana uniform challenge script or say All work and no play makes Jack a dull boy. All play and no work make Jack a lazy boy. You have been learning from home all this while on Ghana's first educational channel, Joy Learning. And Sabri say, now it is time for you to have fun and prove to other school how beautiful your uniforms are. Follow Joy Learning on Instagram. Joy Learning, your Instagram. And I'll call my 2 dear call Instagram, nebo Joy Learning. You bet your name, and your my costume, and what me a question. Young Susie Herbal. Susie Herbal Center for woman normally CB men and women capsules so they are brain we oba who say one name and can't there be as a cent be we are no there we are who say them when you know what is a dear in shut down koye no I did not when no one I drink compared drew Samson I be one who can count away giama which I was off when him cry now don't say I found to now and shut down in koye now when him so say we need feelings and I say oh a menstrual cramps we do on ma obi ati nka wona e bi no de wa set date bomode akoje dru na etimi aboa we be man so onyo so ani mu apai mienu so no ma onyo so kwa jo so ne ma wo ba chima obi wono say it trotro mu kakra ye ko ba bi na papa say yes no onyo so wo ba ka say wa toilet what bye papa Kwaji CB men capsules net me aboa na no obi so se ne dwunso mu apai mienu ase mame ya isi me be wonta for there bi o yare na o yare enye ntafo obi so dwunso ne mu pai mienu na je so be wonta for yare na o yare no je se bibi esim enti ko na kwaji edru anase kope CB men capsules na emwa o na bibia etimi akoyi wunya yellow discharge and as a whitish discharge and so akọ no mbeboa from one number is 0247 111 671 0247 111 671 I ya started Daughters of the Moon ewo Adom TV so you know Monday to Friday bia 1:30 pepe bomodi ase obehwe now so odi atwa wanim speed di yenkoyanim ya fa lines ya say ya do your phone lines and so Frame and Ian can be Obisa, good evening, Rev. Nice topic, but I don't think it's right to accept him back. And him him because if you are the air can be one hey be better than when we are my waka say yeah majo. Majo. Now will be TC a bear announcement. Will be very nice and bremy pa. Will be TC a bear announcement and another so about close way pet. Now you have a man for far locking up. Why not said I was on a boy be? Or share dance your way to say the gay as I said here. Nathan coffee and shagum. Boys who see at idea hattie. Just a train a wine a boy. Why boy I guess any. Say what you want him say corona ninty. Men lock it down Wahano. What's the mommy and just sexual harassment? Hello. Hello, Ababa. Everyone say naga sefin.
Mommy, good evening. Pacho, if I'm a Vic, make us see my dear.
Yo, Pacho, mommy, to Vic.
Yo, mommy, on topic now, there man, a nice pa.
Yeah, the radius, Papa.
Exercise seminar, a very complicated, and no piano. Make me a work man. Me, for example, and no obiana like obetumi aka so obetumi na X asamba biom depending on ebia nsemu a esisi me for example me ni obema tna ya ma yejai be for 6 years and I asamba back but uba back me for me side they make me aka say ebia na act of immaturity but
I side
like me no
who says I won't ye mature.
Ye me no na.
I didn't know me who can't count dear. Also when you're mature, cause I mean you're mature, Papa.
I say ye said that you're mature and said that say and ye adena ye na say.
Oh, fear saying
separate ye na obia call ni way ye na ye na say dream hoano ene ye hu so ye betumi ai den asa babak ama ya babak say ye te kama nyame ya adom a ebia afi be kwewie ye no ye be ware ya na excess obi wo be kan say ompene obi nso wo but say mutena se na odo ne wo ho na motem ho ase say ebia we made mistakes in the past we can sit down and correct it. Now, Obian, some mistakes, my and now my giant.
Aba me da say nyame sha papa ma me fa foforo so ai oso no de hu say o mistake na so no mu nyina so omunye macho sisi o mo ba back ayetala enkoye nim. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, me ben papa che first na ka se fin.
First na me free. I like you, but you are free driving school.
Yo, me ben papa me nti why?
Yo. I had the papa say yeah, we did the Nkommo we. Na ibin so efa futu ewu mu. Ni ama pese na kan nyina ne se obi pese oba back ya. Idu a station na omumu no. Na otimo so obema no. O chese scanning ni nsam. Na adwuma so aye basa. Etimo afan we adwane akọ ebi obema bo flo. Eti akire ya wonam na so hia. No BBI fine. Once mu awani na che we wadwuma.
Wo so send o message bi.
Eti afibu mu se na o se da ekeke kan ho ba. Na in short no mekan say sanko for no mo ba anya jin papa no mo di ba o.
You're right.
Yes, jam life mom. Eti o so for my be kan ya na enu anu no. So mama say me enyi yo me be me da say Udo akodi obi mu da nka won ka say onya adwen papa onya adwen papa waje wade na ne te. Hello.
Hello, Mami.
Yes, my darling. Pacho first and I say
Pacho, your family Simo, make us a fit ma comment 3.
All right, me ben Pacho mami ti o why?
Yo, me so imagine chen say. And yes, me a bear mind to be to me da. Man who say Obama a calling a fair can say.
The
ex backer. Advantage room and say even we Africa Ghana ha so be your culture account say Obama na epe oba mebo.
Okay,
Anti oba no free me chen call no.
Adwenje ne ho.
Me as a Bema no ma fa kwese ma fa ya ma fa we me hu say es girl na me ja no call no. Onu ni nipa metimi but what you say?
Pa, me say.
I head back say me need na. Me who say nipa ma fa wunyi na akosa na me betimi atra ma na.
Mami Musa wo eno no na akosua na ohwa eno na betimi na no efa ne size ne ho ana efa ne stature ho ana say ne suban asem ho ke.
Suban ni keka wunyi na abema meka trouser ope ni SB back awa ho. Ni size never be the break county mean due to time. But Obama Sabio, Oba Casa Oba Baka, wow. Obama also say, also call no eh? When who say, Okoye no, Michinya, Okoye no, when who say, Nipa optimic, like Nipa or Nusu Timik on and when who say, no. Me pay kweku back name bomuno advantage in because onu ewu say kweku nye mami ntia okoye no obaba be handy otie so by owu say kweku nye mami ntia okoye no obaba be handy o so obaba na nye make krebi enkoye mami pe na wakai kwa me no.
Okay, yan radio eti okoye na be ma no ede na wo be ma ne ho ntia wo san aba no ede na wo kweku ntia wo san aba no.
Onu kwekuno enti onu kwekuno awu se oba back no awu bibi ko yi baby ti na
o di ade bubo bi so kire me sika sam ne be ma eso
se me ka say niema bi ti na like onu odenti a onu epese oba back no kwekuno ebia sika sam ko yi.
All right bebe na me da se ma enfa foforo ai ye nua be ma wabo ayen pa ono so aka ne de say ya na be. Hello.
Hey.
Avo.
Male.
Au. Mati wani asi pa.
Mami ye boa.
Yes darling.
Mami bi etna so Germany, Obapa radio, Obapa. Also here pa. anti mi wi am sraw mak me no police anakasa anti me hu de be na me nyu no mama no so what so to so person no di komo oba pa utie mi a uni aba no na mi fa no kasa
yan kasa
asema mo di atena fi we share say no na say no ye misiri so we be samba wa chi bi mu ma mama ye bwa anti wo fo sa mi afo se mi ja oba na oba ni hia mi na ma funu nyina totom ma ye ti se se krama bi wa wo nya duane ni obe sa be di machi anti ni nyina atira say wa ni paro no be fa no mu jaya so wo ye so say wo be ye bibi ama hu ko ye tatata sa bia no ni paro ko hu no ko wo obe ma ja na wo hia wo pa na o fe be ma bi odi wachi na say onu kale ni hu say onu o ye strong che be ma no odi wachi a obe all sounds no da afa nso waja onu wajai afa ohun engine enu afa ubum nti no nyina atra ni pare no the way I open feel ohun ye no be ma ja mo sha why fresh o feel body onu ahun say yes mo say onu asa afredi nti immediately ni kan say what the Chinese analysis mo tam titia the way I be your ohun ye enu de betumi afa we ni bandi
enu na betumi aboa efo Beda senya me sha papa efo de ne de aba be kan wo se obi be ma bi ani wo be kwa aba obe ba ne sa wo ba na je se bibi ne wo huntina oba obi waso ye fa last one na fe ye fa Isiano hello hello so mama yenko sesi ababi ayedru ensem obi waso me fa last one yenko hello ya oba papa cho fa se na ka se fe Bacho line munye. Jina ye kakaputo. Da bi chewanu ko left me hade.
Me bin me friend ya man ka fi body.
O ka se fi? Da bi o line munye. Me bacho ye line munye nti ye fa enonsi ana hwe so obi wo so ana ye fa nye sanso dia na ye fa siano. Obi wo so hello.
Hello mami.
Yeah, me ben papa che first na ka se free.
Friend me eja kwesi.
Eja kwesi?
Yeah, because I free fanko.
You eja, mami see why?
Yeah, wo kan no crew. Na se de mo bosso na no bia de no crew me ni say ya ne tajina e de mamu ntem tie no. Eso. Say de mamu ntem tie no e free mu mi enu a. E bia na mami ampene, papa ampene. Enya mu mienu fom so ya me boa na bia ma me ne papa krona no ha mo no ofiri ho no mo sabi yemfa nse nya me amowa mutimi hia eta nante intino se mfiri mu mienu a ena eta ma sanchia mu no timi ya papa
okay
yedi kano na de toso mienu ye te se de kano ebi ho no ma no ni panankasa ko eno no enu no de oye wo bone no ko ye no ono so ayo bone so na wo do no tense de na ono do wo
sao
penti se bane sa wo de tre wo de
na so still wo da so do
we need that so de nechi
we di asema wo kan di asejam be ato pen asebi ato pen efisa no kwasem ni se wo do ba bia yeso odo ne de ne ho akodi
enti se bane sa dia oba ewu se ye o ya ba o timi je wa de sa
right
bi wonu mai sa odo ntinti na wo ko di mu pa wo ko di mu sa ufa no na wa san fa wa de sa
odo ne de ne ho akodi mu ampa me be pa na shira wate na me shira pa de papa kan very true so don ko di mu a o tie kira badwin se na menje no na be bi wo kra wa ja wo dada so da bi a do no oba bi ha wo ja wa che oja utama wa class 3 and so still that be aga ido wa kuma mu a confirm say obe ware ni biatika ansa no don ati akoe so ai mama ko anu na yemra studio na fi meet so mama o last ones sabri o de o da so gira hwa se mo bi anya obia
Rev medical can say it depends if you nipa ne eba ne e true say wenya adwene sachira won na kuma mu je say utumi says sachira pan de was sachira no ba for good
sachira bi
but obi so wo a wonim se nyame pagya wakosi mpempen so bi
na de nyame pagya na so wahu na wonti mami je obi ani won mo ompe oba o ye fine san so obi ani won pe be mo ye fine uja owura yi na se no je support am uja no e kire na hu se akwa wadani assembly man wadani obi ti ukwa na ye den ukwa na ye den enti ni pen tam ohun no na wonye obi a of course obi ani ho obi nye obi obefa no
sam ready nka wo kona sa nipa na ye obi anka so de fere
ba mama nka no kura so kire je se no ti no oba bi betuna se a omo ne ho so a onko bo ne ho so because be ma bi ani ho a wunye fanya obeba befa wo moto amu bon wo si nyina ahia abodokon na de be ma no wan kasa oja hu ya wo twetwe wo sin you know hu na wo smile ono so asiri
mami anything na so bi ja we ni sa wo tena ho sa
enti ene wo so bo ho so
pursue education
okay
ye wo ye bribi nsanadwuma na wo nya ye bribi se wan kasa wo se personally no se enko yi a che se ye wo hu yie siesie wo hu kwan ya be fa so be hu se we dru baby no dru sa level na nipa ni hya wo hu no so emfere
no so emfere ya mama kwa adisa baba
emfere ya ba nechi
adisa enko ha oje hu se yenta me ka me messages na so
mama nya we very quick mima nanaji amwati happy birthday nyame shrano and my classmate almost this weekend omo beba bebua me we na azu no me da mo in advance na reverend
na want ya wu no wako invite to classmate I will corona on one
be say omo around
na ti krofo e na still break corona wo na ko pe ko fa beja wo na somebody ahin na benya no why word say o de henko
enye won na asema meka say me minji x nanso I will encourage you see u ex ba na umuni na oya jeno and obi nso wo ho a me ba be hwe si
30 seconds
aja me ba be hwe si niamisi sisa no what me asisa na o sisa na mafa ma de
na wo de wo asisa
ebe na ma
se bia wo so ko sisa nka wo ba
yes me answer na me ba no me sisa me de me yes
oso ono de on GX
no x
me ni x me am ni x mpo me ni x
ono woni x
me ni x
because we ono guys ni nyina wonya obia
disclaimer
ono anytime
reverend disclaimer
ono obi nya
pentokwa
forward
me pentokwa nti niame meka ne se wa wo hwe na nipa no udo wonimu a go for him.
Addis Ababa can dear. Mami can messages. Baby, we say good evening, Mami Gold. If the love is there for both,
why did you leave?
For both, then I don't think there's any need for explanation. Charity is on the free caswa. Was it all on my way? Nya fe ni ekwa chechim na nanu ye mi say na nanu sorry class wanu so nsuo na da ene emfa ho odo ho a asem bi ani ho obi say it's me Auntie Maggie. Auntie Maggie. Aye, okay. Now what is saying? Why you nice, papa. And messages in the dozen. Obi said, but my child is with her, and I don't know what to do. Bema no say girl no person any better. Oh, na say obade oba. Unye ska send ni momo. Ene momo wa ho nsu yadwen ho. Momo no wa send no. O man no afre video call say o person ni akwala na kasa. Na ni akwala na kasa. Once in a while no akofa akwala no abedi some time with you. Obi said sometimes if the person left you, that's where you know the value. Okay, I think I've already read 8. Obi said good evening. Okay. Messages no. Yefa na memra Mera for no kwase me wo mu say enche da anye bone say ebia nka oni obi anante na nipa no we hu wo grounds bi wo ha obetimi de agina e de afa wo ex back. The only grounds no I think say me know say me the first one is say said obi kan obi e na tete mu ntem mo ade mo anyai ana say bia wo maami bi wo papa bi na yes wo mpene say mo benante enti hono no se nipa no mo komanimu ana mo amoye mo mpani na afi hu say nipa okra me ni jae problem bi ama eno de obetimi akofa na de hono afi bi ani hono mo na de akaka bi akoba sanso na bia ne koba ne say na mo dom ho pa but bia akwanti obi bai ba akwanti ba ko ho ka ena bia mo di jae ena yes a type of x ni bi ena mo hwe ena bia anhye da anche ena bia anko nante enti bia wo ba ba back and as no ba back. I don't see anything wrong with it. And the mom who say Bibia Shedante Muntem na Montem Honka. Tia no cry there, you are even longing for each other. Tida ube huno when you are Jekurabo Abroso, you are super excited. Say, yeah, I'm going back to my ex, my boyfriend, my girlfriend. Okwa the ex is in time po empem. And no any no. Na se akobane se bia mo amu shede jaye. Wo shede di oba ibone pa. Woba sebema no ni to no twempena pa. Woba na no won mobai. Owura habode na we ni na koda. Owura habode na we ni na koda. Na se wo se ene wanyi ahwe. Age nsesa nipa. Age nsesa nipa. Eto de bia experiences bi. E bia no nipa no wafa bibi mu a ye bi na akosesa no kakra. Na no kura na se enye nyame na ewo mu a. Ya bo the deliverance etu to za to sunsunfi na free ni mu. Na se asomasi ya wo hia no na no ayi Takwa Junction. Ono anene. Wasan so akohia no won Kra Junction. Wa hwe ya. Na bia no se share dance sign. De wo mu se woni ni partner. Na se pain bebre nso aba. Automatically no ema wo bia nanite. Because your experiences are wafamu and no inform you with decisions. It almost one in the panel say we trust in the panel, some won't trust in the panel. Our experiences are wafam. It's a big one man, be crown no obukasia. Now next person be so bukas, always so bukas, I what one in a coachia. Most of them won't pesamotana, and so experiences a woman tell the bitter ones and the doors to do. It's motiwa. Sebema crane yere se o piaba. Na wo ba no frefra check obu okra no afa taxi not no a space na nekra nose mask abe dia say asem no wo hu yire pa wo twam wo ahwe wo hu zo no na wo yire twam no she space no she yi na wo di twam wo so na wo yire ya na ekoi wo tetew eti unye hu se nipa na ne wo hono no se trust un sheda ni trust many pa bebreza. Don't go back to your ex. Me dey be ameka say so oni obi atena na say unya very bitter experience. Don't going back to your ex no e dey akaka bi a wa hwe just say you have to seek therapy. And so I didn't say me bring but be ya jani pano na won baby and start a fresh page with somebody you do not know from Adam. Obi a wunni mu no afi na mu nyina mu share mo experiences no nipa no wunnim bibia waye obi anti nya afi ne ekwadwendwen ho ene ade be ma bi so hon ma na so be bi ho style na oye odija o first one no sa style symptoms na bi betimi asifie hono no kwa na eche ebedura na jo 10 11 12 no mai yes say eduru ope na wo wuti na wo 9 pa na wo kai said you were here in the past no ne ade it is only nipa na nante da na ohwe na mu awa asumesiko na mu mabubabu bonkokora ma ye mesiri wade a ehonum no munyina manyinyi enti obi anim se mu escapades na atwam manyinyi ma ye mesiri wa ma ye nkokora ma ye mre wa ne ade enti won se ya ba betene enya afa ni ekodwe bibia ho enti hono jealousy ni kura anu adwojo jealousy ni kura ba brewa insecurities na ba brewa bibia e wa akomanum na ba brewa enti eno no de oni nipa ne kwa akotena onim se uku na ono anso se ya wagija first se de ogina so yi na ade se ya mre enti wodi ko chinchin kura nche de ayenche da ha papa bia na emumu nim se we overly jealous anioma ha ontem ekeni na ukoye uye so quarrelsome any ade akakra bia we so emotional kakra bia no akaka anioma bi esi ye you can't seem to let go of the past any ade. Don't go back to your ex, because when your ex is coming he comes back with all the excesses. When your ex girlfriend and as a ex-wife is coming she comes back with all the excesses. Ebu okra uja no obi sa betwa mu mfimfin yo ebebu kwase bia na so be ye anioma bi waso ani nyina de aka ho no de. And to me, I believe, say, when you are dating somebody and I say, when you need jaya, as well as move on, get somebody and start a fresh page. Now, any panel start abrabono. That's only the panel start abrabono cry. And you may be besusu aha kakra. Adibi wa won sheda enkwadwen ho. Na betimi yesusu na oni nipa no atsena. Na emu wo hwe na se bia na ya ware ye. Woni ne wo ye. Na woni ne wo ma. Wono oni wa wo ma. Ena munyina mu call ya no bi ka brabo akodi ma twetwe ena wo sam so aba eno so check wo hwe ne be ya nkwala ni ntim betimi atenam ne se munyina manya betimi atenam na hwe be ma me musa be ma nei na wo wusika kwa akosa wo ba x wo be ye dan be ma bia se ukoba brabo na anye yi a wo wansan unya sika na wo se wo ye x na wo wan na bejew Ain't me pancha, we your ex dia. Ex bia obeti yes, will be say, I am going back to my ex, niggas. Sanso na oba also say ex bi beba na just say wabo ho so. Add value to yourself. Get something doing so that whoever comes to you no will appreciate you now. Now we who say girlie, say me ye mistake say me jano. Brei, say me ye mistake say me jano. Na mum emfa wotete no. Emfa nko. Ebi a first na ucha da papa. First na wani mie. Na wa wo se kire wa so. E wo maybe ho mu penua bore pa wo ba wo bodua woni ni jai last be 25 years still wo bodua enti on ha ho wo ba be ma wo mumma be ma wo broma woni na jai 25 years still sa not here me hwe no wan hwe say ko enko yare ne de e wo ho e just a deliverance enti pa cho bomodi an say no maybe sa ande men ho kra na wan san ko start bitterness no afresh nyame nshira mo ene ha ne ye dwumadi no ye di AC pacho follow me on the prayer train ene 12 midnight pepe ye bompaye wo Instagram ye official Reverend Gold bomodi as obi sham honom na ya bompaye ye besue nyame asem kakra ye de mpaye every 12 midnight biara ye bompaye sanso na wo Facebook and so the prayer train with Reverend Mami Gold. The prayer train with Reverend Mami Gold. Me pacho mi CCF page na near over 1 million here in pacho obi a haki. Amo di pono ni ade agugu ho. Enti pacho don't follow me e wo CCF ho no. Ene enam ye na obi frɛ me obi twa bi ba kyerɛ me a wo ba bi asutu wo pu ne to na wo be se ne tubo wie mu sa pacho nya me a unya hu page na kra bo se nya me page a. Enti pacho bomodi aso be yi wani afri. Eye kuma page dia. Any enka hu picture na obeka say hwa any because style na me hu na I say Diamond goes exposition Kintampo's exposition and then I know the idea you made is nyame chance on Jebra ho hwe nyame adoma next week e be san so aba patch me number 0207 939870 0207 93